YouTube, welcome to my channel Smiles Per Gallon. How is everybody? Hope you're all feeling above average. I'm sure you are. So I do apologise, it's been a couple of months since I've done a vlog. I have been out on the bike, I just needed a little bit of a rest, if you like. But today I thought I'd get my gear on, my batteries charged up, my drone sorted, and I thought we'd have a ride and fire my drone up Stanley Ferry today, which is, it's only in Wakefield, so it's not far. It's a 15 minute ride, if that, just to get there, and obviously 15 minute back. Reason I'm going there is because there's something that's really interesting to me, and I've been doing a bit of reading on it. It's a bit of history as well, so you know, some of you might enjoy it, some of you might not, but it's not really about the bike today. It's more about Stanley Ferry as general. It's a place where there's a canal network, but there's two aqueducts that are there that really interest me. Now, for those that don't know, an aqueduct is a bridge that has flowing water flowing through it. So yeah, so I'm gonna go there, send my drone up and just fly my drone around a little bit, see how footage comes out. If you're up for a bit of that, then stick around. Yeah, so I've been, since I got back from Cyprus, I've been proper busy with work, and I've been working quite a lot of hours, so I've just not had a lot of time to, you know, to do any filming really. And which is a shame, because all the nice weather's gone. But today I'm off work, obviously. I've got 3 days off, and it just said that the weather were going to be nice. It was 23% chance of rain, but and that there, the war horse. I don't know if you saw that. So yeah, an aqueduct, it's a bridge that has flowing water flowing through it. Apology to say it was built in, you know, 1836, I think it was. Yeah, it's been uprated since then, obviously, but a great piece of English history, and also how Britain, you know, how the UK was built. And so having a little bit of a problem with mirror, with the right mirror on this, it kept folding in, so I took it off. I looked at it, it looked like it had no adjusters on it, but it has, it does adjust, so I've done it.
I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate, can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate, can I That smile's gonna be
Yeah, sound. Just return. I had to. It lost signal, so I had to return it home. Just if it loses signal, it's got a fail-safe on it where it'll just come and land. But I got a bit worried because it went out of view and I had no picture, so I didn't have a clue where it was. And then I just heard like a zzz, and I looked up and it was there. So it just, yeah, they're quite a good bit of kit, mate, to be honest.
But don't they bring if it loses signal, won't it come back?
Yeah, it comes back to home, and it's not where the people think it's where the controller is, and it isn't. It's where it took off. So if you ever lose it, you just go back to where you took off and find it there. Yeah. Smiles per gallon 0.1. See you later. See ya.
I'm an explosion. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion. That smile's gonna be the end of me. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion,